look at that thing.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Buddy. Deadly. That's nice. Okay, good. Line management. That's a brown? Nice. That is my first brown. Howdy. Not too shabby. Got one. Oh, he let go. He ate it. Okay. Coming off of day 2, a little
So I want to get.
I wasn't nervous going into day 3. I had Cody as a partner and Troy as my guide.
Okay.
Oh, right off the hop, Troy hooks into a big brown.
Yeah. I haven't seen him. Oh, I see it. He's up top there. Nope, never mind, it's weeds.
As I'm trying to net the fish wins the fight.
Son of a gun. So could I have done anything different?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope, he was way too far for you to worry about that.
Okay. He was hanging off on that drop off.
There's nothing you could do.
I was trying to get, I'm like, oh, I want to get in there.
The current just magnifies things so much, sometimes you can't do it.
A little slower than our indicator, so you can let it get
Not too long after that, Cody hooks into another good
Oh,
fish.
fish on.
In a bad
You
spot.
gotta watch. Right?
Ah, he popped. We lost him.
Oh, he lost him. Right. Okay, so now management. When I came back,
I was still having trouble and massively overcompensating. As a guide, there are all these things going through your head. Watch the indicator for strikes, keeping your distance from where you're fishing, keeping the conversation going, and in my case, learning how to row these drift boats while also staying safe.
see how it doesn't have to be a panic. Yes, you have to move fast.
Yes.
You have to do stuff fast.
Yeah.
But it doesn't need a plunge yours, plunge yours, plunge yours.
Got
It's
it.
just stroke. Keep it going, stroke.
I felt like the whole time Troy was just putting my confidence back together, building me up to succeed and taming the beast that was panicking inside. For some reason, his method of teaching really spoke to me.
You're okay. The water helps you, right? So there you go. Okay, now together.
Don't get me wrong, everyone here has very helpful ways and tricks that I've learned from, but that day was the day it started clicking. That aha moment happened and it started making sense.
Full horse. Don't need to panic. You're good now. Straight out. There you go.
Whew.
Attaboy.
Yeah.
Now, no, don't stop now. You can't stop.
I'm not. Yeah.
Then
This
came
is
the
the stuff
test,
I want
a little
to
tricky
get.
part to navigate,
Get through, figure out.
but I was up for the challenge.
Makes me nervous.
I was literally shitting my pants on the inside,
No,
even though on the outside I may have looked calm.
You're doing good. You're going right where you want to be right now. Don't pull back on one more than the other. Pull back home. Because you don't ever want to be sideways going in the waves. You want to be downstream, facing the width of the water. When you get a heavy shake. Yep. And then you'll notice, so back row, start back rowing. Look at these waves we're going in. Back row. Look at how much that slowed it down in there. Back row.
As I rode down this section, I calmed down and realized I could do this, and all of it just happened.
You know what you can do? We're going to actually take those rocks on the other side.
Okay.
Okay, back row now, together. Back row,
As well with the help from Troy's
Look at
guidance.
us. Shoveling right across. Okay. Hold. sink your feet up in. Take your cover, your cover. Now both, now both, now both. Yep, both. One more. Put this one in the water, this one back row, back row. Just dive that one in the water. Correct. Now you straighten it. Now back row, buddy. Now back row. Okay, now you gotta get around twin, so your ass the other way. You got it, back row, back row. You got it, bud. Now get outside of twin. Then you see there's a big rod sticking out. Okay, now straighten yourself out, straighten yourself out. See the big rod? Go below it.
Yeah.
And come around it.
Okay.
Okay? And so we'll go below Brandon's boat, just so he's out going through.
Yeah.
Well done, pal.
Below it, and then put my ass into the wall.
You'll go right into the shore below Brandon.
Yeah.
So Brandon's the second boat.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Gotcha. The black one.
Yeah. There is a rock that's straight ahead of us too yet. See that
Okay.
little curl there?
Yeah, and right in
You
front.
want to go inside of it. Inside. Yeah. There you go. Now back row. Now back row. Just watch how much you angle yourself over. If you don't want to run your ass end into the tape. That is boy. Okay, now you can let yourself go. Right, you're there. Here's the rock. Here's the Now point yourself below. There you go. Straighten out, straighten out, straighten out, straighten out. Got it. And then we're just going to back our ass in right below Brandon. Back in. Back in. Go hard. There you go. Now you got it. Now you got it. Blow up. Blow up. Blow up. Drop your anchor.
After banking the boat, I felt like I had finally hit that
That was
moment where I
awesome.
was getting the hang of it.
But my butts were clenched. Fuck yeah. I found that shit.
There was a point where I could feel it. On the top of the run.
And I can't thank Troy enough for that.
Right there.
Yeah, you did.
Thank you.
That was awesome, dude.
That was awesome. Thank you.
Next was our river rescue training. Nothing crazy in depth, but enough information to help you if you were ever in a situation where one of your clients was to go overboard or get stuck in the current.
That's cool.
They go through these scenarios that can happen, what you can do, your responsibilities to your client, and the hard choices you may or may not have to make, should you ever have to make them.
Workout today.
Start the bag end, dude. Start the bag
Oh
end.
yeah, the bag end.
We also learned how to throw the rope bag to attempt to
Hands
rescue
up!
someone from the river.
Thank you.
The rest of the day, Cody got to row, and I worked on my casting and fishing. I caught my first mountain whitefish,
You got a little bit of weight to him.
and it was a decent size as well.
I'm excited.
So step on that thing. Oh, look at that thing. Look at that. That's
Oh, that's a whitefish.
just do this.
That's a whitefish. Yeah, I'm pretty positive. He come up.
Yeah, so let me Hey Jake, swing the rod tip down to the floor, but keep it up high. So that is
Look at that.
I'm taking a picture.
Dude.
Hope you had him pinned good. And just get those hooks out of the. There you go, buddy. You want to touch it?
Yeah.
You want me just to send it to you? Put him in the water. You're done. Yep. Put the towel in
Yeah, that didn't really work out.
Chunky little monkey. Oh my god, look at that thing. Yeah. Like, he's not very big, but man, he's chunky. You got some beef on him. There we go.
Nice, buddy.
Nice little fish. This is the best time to be on the river.
I'm not sure if it was the fact that it was my third day rowing, but things finally felt like they were coming together. And I left that day feeling in awe of everything, my emotions running high from my accomplishments and how much more my love for the sport keeps growing with each passing day.
You did it.
Just fine, buddy. Just fine.
This was the last day to try and soak up every bit of knowledge I could before our guiding day. Oh, and by the way, if I hadn't mentioned, the fifth day, you actually get to take a client out and you guide with the support of the guide. These guys are an open book, and you are welcome to ask them any of the questions that may still be on your mind. Being that I was growing comfortable with rowing, I was terrified that my inexperience would lead to my client not even coming close to catching a fish. So I drilled away with questions, doing my best to focus on rowing while gaining knowledge.
Want to fish this inside seam? Yes. On the left? On the right? Oh, sorry. Okay. There's a...
Which as a guide is all a part of
just
keeping
past
your
these
company
ripples
entertained
here,
while trying
the-
to put
what
them
are-
on
what are they
fish
called?
and
The-
not put them in danger.
The titties, whatever.
There's whitewater, there's travel bar, there's a brimble run.
Yeah.
I was asking questions like, where are better places to stream your fish? What kind of pockets am I looking for
Yeah.
in each type of fishing?
Point up the travel bar.
Yeah. You want to fish on the other side of that, right?
If we're empty, this is also really good streamer water up here.
On the left? Okay. So we're going to fish the left.
As we were talking, Jordan hooked up on a really nice rainbow.
Oh, that's a good brown. That is epic.
Okay, one short.
Dude, exactly our case of foot. So now you have to watch. Rainbow. Is it? Rainbow. Absolutely.
Right up.
And then you're going.
We didn't land it, but the experience left us all pumped.
It's not your fault. That was the best rainbow I've seen in a long time.
Now it was time to reflect.
Dude, that was a fucking job!
The belly on
I thought it was a big brown and like rainbow was so. It looked like a lake fish.
Oh, that was fucking dope, man. Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so now we do, we're like, oh,
Passion and experience not just Dana has, but all of these guides have for this sport isn't just intoxicating, it's infectious.
Okay, so he did take that pause.
Yeah.
To be like, you know, what are you fishing, a 7-weight?
7-weight.
Be like, how to feel in a 7-weight? The Bow River Rainbows are awesome, aren't they? Yeah. Yeah. And it's like, have you ever caught a rainbow that big? Have you? But like, you love super fishing, like, fuck, good thing we chose super fishing. He chose the fly, it's like great fly selection, man. Let's go fucking chase them down. Let's go do it.
Then came the wind again. We had battled the wind most of the week, but Mother Nature had to kick it up a notch once again. However, this time I was prepared, and I don't feel like I had much trouble at all.
You're doing good, man. I'm
Next up was Jordan.
My comfort zone this whole trip. I'm so used to being the boss, and like I'm just learning from all these people, and like I'm just, it's so fucking weird for me, man. It's been years, and my fishing body is like, I am a little bit more of a
The one instructor.
The rest of the day was really relaxing. I was comfortable and content just having the time of my life.
That one right away, Kurt, that you had?
What's that?
That one that you had right away when we were landing, Art?
All I could think about was, I don't want this to end. I need this in my life. This whole week restored my whole perspective on people and increased my love for fly fishing and the people in this industry tenfold. Not just our guides, but the students I did this course with.
Yeah.
Doing this course didn't just give me the answers I was looking for, it gave me the extra push that I had been searching for to know which direction I wanted to go in. And a bunch of friends that are all out searching for similar direction in their passions.
Are you okay? You need a tissue?
Dana gave me some backstory about when and why he started guiding.
By saying I thought it would ruin it because hunting was starting to be ruined for clients.
Okay.
And I was like, oh, I really like the fly fishing for like me.
Yeah.
And then in May that year, like 2009, took me out. First time I tripped the boat.
Yeah.
I actually was catching fish and I was like, holy fuck, this is so fun.
Yeah.
I just remember I just had like absolute time of my life.
Yeah.
And we did another tour in the city. He had me go in bed. I was trying to like, I don't really remember anything he said. And then, come June, run off it. And he had an old boat that I bought. And then it was like July 3rd. He's like, oh, I got a trip for you.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Does this course make me a guide? No. Does this course give me the tools to work on to become a good guide? I definitely think so. I have a lot of work ahead of me, which I have zero problems with, and I intend on working on
Holes
it.
open up because of the runoff.
The feeling when you are behind the helm, helping your client, friends, family hook on a fish has equal feeling to being the one fighting the fish. And that is also something that I learned.
Did you have a good day?
Don't get me wrong, I don't intend on just fully guiding. I enjoy making content and fishing as well, and I fully intend on broadening my experiences. I'm looking at all possible ways to make this my living. Oh, and before I forget, the guide day went great. A couple little things happened, all minor, but both Troy and my client caught fish. We even hooked into a triple header with the other students who were also guiding on the same day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for future content. Are you okay with me having this on?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have this game that if you show somebody your butthole, it's a point. So just beware.
This is a point system here?
Oh, you gotta get a real score.
Yeah. Points in you bat winging.
What if you helicopter?
You don't know? Can't afford it.
You're looking into a dark hole. You know you lost.
Ow.
What's my name?
Did you miss their spiel earlier? Tony!
Hey, Tony! Hey, Tony!
What's your name? Tony! Fuck you, Tony! Fuck you! What's your name? What? What's your name? Ezekiel! Ezekiel? That name fucking sucks! That's 1 point for me.
really want to know what classifies
Needs to be.
It's not even like a song that's about fishing. Go on my fucking playlist on fucking Spotify. It's called Trout Dick.
Trout Dick? Yes. That's great. Trout Dick. How did you come up with that?
It's a long story, man. Fishing with buddies.
Yeah.
If you catch a dinker, you hold it up next to your cock and you're like, oh, it's as big as my cock. And like, I'll catch like 20 inches or 18 inches. And yeah, it's as big as my cock. So you hold the fish up next to your dick and it flops around a little bit. You know, it's not really the best for the fish. And I don't do that anymore. But ever since then, it's all.
And don't forget, when he sees you,
Yes.
he's not going to be happy.
Sorry, man.
Sorry, I just. Fuck! No! Get in there! My sweet God. Pilots wouldn't. We're just. Quickie! Quickie!
Yeah, man. Hey, you just kind of give me a second here.
Yeah.
I gotta take a breath.
Yeah.
We pulled some out of it.